It's a pleasure to introduce the school's digital presentation of the next step, transition to post-16 education. Here we reach another important milestone along your child's educational and life pathway. There are important decisions to be made and various opportunities on the horizon. All departments and subjects have produced a video to introduce their sixth form courses. Mr. Payne's presentation will outline the different courses available, curriculum arrangements, and working in partnership with Ysgol Bro Myrddin and some of the other local secondary schools. And Mrs. Daniel, Head of Sixth Form, explains the support and opportunities on offer here at Maes y Gwendraeth, and also notes the school's expectations of our Sixth Form students. We are very proud of our Sixth Form at Maes y Gwendraeth, not only because of the academic results, but because of the key contribution the students make to the school's close, vibrant community. And I hope we can convince you to continue with your education here at the school. A particular strength which is of an advantage to the pupils is the support they will receive. Estyn has praised and acknowledged the excellent working relationship between staff and pupils. The fact that they know the staff and now trust them is very important. There are various opportunities, and we offer advice for future pathways, universities and higher education, apprenticeships, the world of work. Some of you may decide to return for a year, with the majority returning for 2 years. And we realise that not all pupils returning to the sixth form intend to go on to university. By offering a variety of courses and experiences, we can support and guide and plan the right provision for the individual. And a return to school ensures a continuation of Welsh medium education. Bilingualism is invaluable in opening the doors to the world of work. It's important that you choose wisely. What are your plans for the future? Undertake your own research to identify the most appropriate courses and identify and know your strengths. If you're not sure about the future, consider subjects that are going to keep your options open. Having high expectations of yourself is so important. Go for it. After watching the presentations, there will be an opportunity in the near future for you to hold question and answer sessions with your teachers. And if confusion persists, my advice would be to discuss and share your concerns with a member of the senior management team, Mrs. Daniel and Miss Williams, for impartial advice.